Chinky are eagerly waiting for the school bell to ring. The bell rings, and they both run to the school playground. Their best friends, Bunty, Pinky, and Monty, also join them, jumping with joy.
Yay! Tomorrow is Children's Day. Means our day. This time I'm going to get a lot of gifts from Mom and Dad.
I know, you don't even leave them on Holi and Diwali. And this is Children's Day. Now that we've talked about gifts, should we make some plans to celebrate? Bunty, Pinky and Monty, have you thought of anything?
What's there to think about? Let's have a party like every year. Some games, some music, and some food and drinks. That's it. Party.
I think we should just get holiday on Children's Day.
Oh, then will your brain also get a holiday too?
I was thinking, why not ask Mom and Dad this time? Who knows, they might give us some new ideas. That's a good idea. We'll all ask our parents and meet tomorrow to discuss new ideas.
Everyone says goodbye to each other and heads home. Chinky can't contain her excitement and starts talking to her parents as soon as she reaches home.
Hey Mom and Dad, where are you? We need to talk to you.
What's wrong, Chinky? What's the matter?
Actually, we are planning a party on the occasion of Children's Day. If you tell us how you used to celebrate Children's Day, we might get some ideas.
Papa and Mummy look at each other and everyone becomes quiet.
So quiet. I think you two were really naughty. That's why you don't want to share your ideas with us.
Hey dear, there wasn't any celebration like that in our time. Just a little speech at school, then a holiday.
We used to sit under a tree with our friends and drink lemonade. That was fun.
That means no games, no parties.
The atmosphere calms down for a moment. The next day, Gattu and Chinky meet again at the playground with their friends to discuss the plan.
If Children's Day is for children, then can the child within the adult be brought out?
Yes, Inner Child Carnival for both children and adults, where everyone becomes a child.
Means Mummy Papa will also play Laguri. And Gilli Danda too.
Yay!
A day before Children's Day, Gattu and Chinky, along with their friends, decorate the neighborhood community hall with colorful balloons, cutouts of cartoon characters, a memory lane corner, a play zone, a crafts corner, a curiosity desk, a donation box, and a kindness booth. On Children's Day, the children arrive before their parents, and together they take charge of each stall.
Gattu, look! We have so many orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express. Order right, you will get coins day and night.
The link is given in the description. Download quickly the Puntun Kids game and the fun begins.
The parents arrive a little later, and the children welcome them with applause.
First, all the parents means all the older children have to come here and share a special memory from their childhood. You can share any of your favorite stories, good memories connected to your photos or toys with us.
This, Alice and Wonderland. This was my favorite book. My grandmother made me read it every night before bed. One day, my pet dog ate a few pages. I started crying, but my grandmother made up her own unique story and told it to me. I was little then, and I accepted it as a part of the story.
Everyone starts laughing. There was a lot of activity in the play zone. Today, no one will be able to beat me at Gilli Danda. I used to be the champion of my area. Today, the Gilli Danda trophy will be mine. There was a huge crowd at hopscotch as well.
Now, on a special demand, there will be a tug-of-war competition between the younger and the older children. The winning team will get free candy from the candy stall.
All the parents gather to play a noisy game of tug of war. While the parents are pulling the rope hard, the children let go and everyone falls to the ground. Everyone starts laughing out loud.
Because no one won this competition, so everyone will get free candies.
And now it's time to remember children's favorite, Chacha Nehru. You all go to the craft corner and make your own roses from original paper. Those who don't know how will be taught.
After a while, everyone is seen wearing red roses. And the parents look very happy after putting them on.
So friends, I know you all are having a lot of fun in this carnival.
Those interested in science can visit our curiosity desk and see the experiments.
Some parents arrive at the curiosity desk and carefully observe the children's science experiments. They are all impressed by Bunty's model of volcano. Meanwhile, Chinky's father tries to make a rocket out of paper, but he fails. Monty helps him, and the rocket is made. Wow, what a wonderful rocket!
Yes, Dad. You can go to Mars next time in this.
All the children around start laughing. Then everyone reaches the kindness booth. There everyone donates things that they brought from home, such as books, toys, stationery.
Friends, we will have all the items in this donation box to the school, which will be distributed to needy children through the school charity. All these children have done a great job together. Keep doing such good deeds. And we will continue to do charity from time to time.
Now all of you have to write a promise on the pledge board. A pledge to keep our inner child alive. From today on, you will do your best to keep your inner child alive. You will play more, ask more questions, hug at least 2 people every day, and to keep yourself happy, you will do at least one activity every week.
Gattu, Chinky and all the other kids reminded us of our childhood once again. This Children's Day was really special and we will never forget it.
We celebrated the real Children's Day today. A big thank you to all the kids from all of us parents.
Everyone comes out and plants the trees in the community ground. After this, they release colorful balloons